In today's video of 1 to Step, I'm going to show you how to remove a creator account on Instagram. If you don't want your creator account anymore and if you want to switch back to your personal account, in this video let me show you how it's done. Before I move on, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more informative videos just like this. From the home screen of your Instagram, head over to your profile section on the bottom right and then tap on the three lines on the top right. From here, this menu will open up. You just need to open up the settings option. Inside of settings, you'll need to head over to the accounts option. And if you scroll down to the bottom of this page, you'll see an option of switch account type. Just tap on it and you can see there are two options that you can switch to. Either you can switch to a business account or you can switch to a personal account. So choose the one that you want to switch to. Tap on switch and there you go. You have now successfully switched from a creator account to either a business account or a personal account. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you want more videos just like this, make sure to hit that notification bell so you get notified for more videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.